Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best Toyota coolant is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in maintaining your vehicle's optimal performance and longevity, ensuring your engine operates at the perfect temperature even under the most demanding conditions, preventing costly damage from overheating or freezing, and ultimately safeguarding your investment by keeping your Toyota running smoothly for years to come. Number 5. Zerex Asian Vehicle Red Antifreeze Coolant. Introducing Zerex Asian Vehicle Red Antifreeze Coolant, specifically engineered for your Toyota, Lexus, or Scion. It's the perfect replacement for your OEM fluid. Our advanced formula is silicate and borate-free, preventing harmful scale and deposits. This ensures optimal performance and longevity for your engine. Experience extended protection with our long-life formula. It provides up to 5 years or 150,000 miles of defense against rust and corrosion. Utilizing phosphate hybrid organic acid technology, it safeguards all cooling system metals. This advanced chemistry offers superior protection for your vehicle. This coolant meets a wide range of OEM and industry specifications, including JIS K2234 and Ford WSS M97B55A. You can trust its quality and compatibility. This 50/50 pre-diluted antifreeze coolant is ready to use straight from the bottle. It simplifies maintenance and ensures your cooling system is protected. What we like. This coolant offers advanced protection for Asian vehicles. Its silicate-free, long-life formula prevents rust and corrosion. If you own a Toyota, Lexus, or Scion and want a coolant specifically designed for its cooling system, this is a great choice for extended protection. What people say. This coolant is specifically designed for Toyota vehicles, ensuring optimal performance and compatibility. It provides excellent protection against freezing and boiling, maintaining the engine's temperature under various conditions. The long-lasting formula helps to prevent corrosion and scale buildup in the cooling system, extending its lifespan. Number 4. PEAK-OET Extended Life Red Pink Antifreeze Coolant. Introducing the PEAK-OET Extended Life Antifreeze Coolant, specially formulated for Asian vehicles. It offers superior protection and is ready to use for your convenience. This coolant is specifically recommended for Lexus, Scion, and Toyota vehicles. Its unique phosphate-enhanced organic acid technology ensures optimal performance for these makes. Our advanced formula provides robust protection against rust and corrosion. It safeguards all components within your engine's cooling system. Enjoy peace of mind with guaranteed protection for up to 150,000 miles or 5 years. This is when installed as part of a complete flush and fill. It comes 50/50 pre-diluted, making it incredibly easy to top off your cooling system. No mixing required, just quick and simple application. This product contains dinitonium benzoate, a bittering agent, for added safety. It is fully compatible with other extended life antifreeze coolants. What we like. This coolant is engineered for Asian vehicles, providing a phosphate-enhanced organic acid technology. It guarantees protection for up to 150,000 miles or 5 years. If you're looking for a reliable, pre-diluted coolant for your Lexus, Scion, or Toyota that offers peace of mind with a long-term guarantee, this is an excellent option. What people say. This coolant is specifically designed for Toyota vehicles, ensuring optimal performance and compatibility. It provides excellent protection against freezing and boiling, keeping the engine at the right temperature in all conditions. Number 3. Ultra One Plus Universal Premixed 50/50 Antifreeze Coolant. Introducing the Ultra One Plus Universal Antifreeze Coolant. It's a convenient, ready-to-use solution for all major vehicle makes and models, making maintenance hassle-free. This 50/50 engine coolant features a universal formula suitable for both automotive and heavy-duty diesel engines. It meets industry standards for versatile usage. Our coolant offers excellent corrosion protection and prevents boilovers. Its low silicate and phosphate-free formula ensures your engine's longevity. The high-quality defoamer system safeguards hoses, plastic components, and gaskets. This ensures compatibility and preserves the integrity of your engine. Designed for modern cooling systems, it's also compatible with cars and trucks from 2000 and older. It works with any car brand, including Toyota, GM, BMW, and Honda. What we like. This is a truly universal coolant, suitable for virtually all major vehicle makes and models, both new and old. Its low silicate and phosphate-free formula provides excellent corrosion protection. If you need a single, ready-to-use coolant that can handle a wide range of vehicles, including your Toyota, GM, or BMW, this is the versatile solution. What people say. This is a genuine Toyota product, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance for your Toyota vehicle. The coolant comes pre-mixed, saving you the hassle of diluting it yourself and ensuring the correct concentration for effective cooling. It provides excellent freeze and boil-over protection, keeping your engine at the optimal temperature in various weather conditions. Number 2. EPAuto Spill-Proof Radiator Coolant Filling Funnel Kit. Introducing the EPAuto Radiator Coolant Filling Funnel Kit. It's designed to make coolant refills clean and efficient. This kit features color-matched caps for dedicated adapters. This ensures you use the correct connection every time. Say goodbye to messy spills and trapped air. Proper filling prevents erratic cooling and heater performance issues. With the included 5-inch extension bar and 45 degrees elbow, you can easily reach radiator caps even under shrouds or at awkward angles. This innovative tool is built with a patented design, ensuring reliable performance for your vehicle's cooling system. What we like. This is not a coolant, but a vital tool for coolant changes. Its spill-proof design and dedicated adapters ensure a clean and efficient fill, preventing air pockets. If you're doing a coolant flush yourself and want to avoid messes and ensure proper system performance, this funnel kit is a must-have accessory. What people say. This coolant is a direct replacement for the OEM fluid and meets the specifications for Toyota vehicles. It provides excellent corrosion protection for all cooling system components. The extended life formula helps maintain optimal engine temperature and reduces the need for frequent flushes. Number 1. SLLC2 Engine Coolant Antifreeze. Introducing the SLLC2 Engine Coolant Antifreeze. This single quantity product ensures your engine stays protected. Forget about core charges with this convenient option. It's ready to use right out of the box. Weighing in at 9.34 pounds, it's built for dependable performance. Keep your engine running smoothly in all conditions. For added safety, it contains a bittering agent. This helps to deter accidental ingestion. Ensure your engine's longevity with this high-quality coolant. It provides essential protection against overheating and freezing. What we like. This is the genuine coolant recommended by Toyota. It's formulated to meet the exact specifications for your vehicle, ensuring optimal performance and protection. If you prioritize using the exact OEM fluid for your Toyota and want the assurance of a product specifically designed for it, this is the one to choose. What people say. Toyota Super Long Life Coolant is a premixed solution, so no need to add water. This coolant is designed to prevent corrosion and protect all cooling system components. It offers excellent heat transfer capabilities, ensuring optimal engine temperature. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.